We're at Uncle Sid's house.
You gotta go in the John.
I know. He was telling me what happened. I said, you know,
Any big kids want a drink? What do you get? Hey, Bill?
yeah, she cut.
Tillie and Dean. Becky's daughter. Kelly.
Good swimmer.
Mitzi, are you swimming? That's Hattie, Mary's girl.
Go to him.
There we go. Oh.
That's a nice hit.
Kids do that. Tommy. Tommy. I don't know.
Any adults who don't behave have to go in the pool.
No, this isn't for babies. Daddy can have some of that.
Your Hattie?
What are you doing?
You're wiggling. Excuse me?
And this is Steven, his big brother, chowing down on hamburgers and lots of other good stuff. He's got little Tommy following around.
I see a few of these trans people lining up.
Hi, Midge. Give me five. Give me five. Here's Lori DeYoung. And her husband and her one of her babies. She has twins.
That be him. Nice. Feels like
Susan and Steve. These are all the Visbecks.
Hey.
Okay, one more. Hold still. Yeah. Okay.
Good shot.
Oh, I thought Mom, I need the ball. How's the ball?
Okay, go ahead right back there. Oh, shit.
Sid. Uncle Sid. Becky and David.
Hit it real hard.
Mitch doesn't want to give Tommy.
That's cute.
High enough, not far enough.
Tommy's so good about it.
Sometimes.
Yeah, good ball.
Go hard up.
There
Way
you go,
up.
Tommy.
I'll get it.
Oh, there's something, he says. Nope, can't get that either. I want a ball. Come on, me to go get you a ball. Throw it, Tommy. Go ahead and throw it. Whip it over here. Yay!
Go hard.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Throw it back. You gotta throw it after Tommy, though. Got it, boy. Throw it. Go ahead, now. Throw it.
Real hard.
Good boy.
Hit up.
I think it's coming.
Thank you, Linda.
Good job. Don't hide your face with his head. They just got a little bit. That's it. Okay. Look it again. Yes. Okay.
Were you nice?
We're not responsible
Did
if
you
that
keep a
camera
nice
breaks.
smile?
Kathy's camera over there. Oh, Kathy and her camera. Amazing.
Who else goes next? Yeah, we're going to do one.
That's it. I think now they're going to do everybody.
Mommy, can we go in the pool?
No, honey, we're going to have a picture taken with everybody.
That one's running the ball. After that picture, we can.
Everybody. No, honey. We have a picture taken after everybody.
John! There's John! John! Hey, John!
I don't know.
Hey, John, we're ready.
That's it.
Okay.
We're not as nice as we can be.
Thank you very much.
Hey, Joanne wants all the redheads.
It's too late. You missed it. They're gone.
Tomorrow night.
They gone? Where they go?
They did.
you first. That's it, right?
That's it.
I did a counter.
First place. One was John Bismick and the other one was Doug DeYoung.
For what?
John, here you go. Doug, here you go.
Ready?
Here we go.
Okay. Ready?
Ladies division.
What's this for?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Tommy figuring it out.
Ladies division, the winner was Linda Peters.
You took it out.
In second place was tied. We had a tie. And the ties were Dave Penning.
Oh, Andy.
Dave Penning, where's Dave Penning?
In the women's division, Dad?
Dave Penning. Runner up.
Didn't he say the women's?
Gerrit DeYoung.
He's not here. Not here.
Who's here?
Just walked in.
Jan Prince.
Jenna!
Time for second. Jenna.
This is Andrew. This is Andrew.
There's Gary.
John Prince. Where's John?
He's in the pool. They're probably in the house. John!
There's another one.
Well, I thought they... Oh, that's Bobby.
The one at the hat? That's Zach. His mother was killed in the office.
Dave Broon, tie for second.
Oh, go get him. Sit by Zach.
Another tie for second. Gary Peters, tie for second.
Another great person.
Another tie for second.
There's another one over there. One girl.
Steve Corbett, tie for second.
I got
Where is
11 grandchildren.
tie for second, Steve? Okay, Gary, is that everybody? Gary, Linda. Ken DeYoung, tie for second. Who else we got? Who else did we miss?
Kenny DeYoung.
Is that it?
Kenny DeYoung?
We got everybody. Tom Harris. Where's Tom? Coming last. Tom, tied for first. Sidney DeYoung, tied for first. That's it. Everyone.
Yeah, we'll let you know.
A short time ago, when this was all started by Becky. And I think we'll all agree she did an excellent job.
You know what it looks like.
Yeah, but it's going to be gone.
We all have a copy of it on our T-shirts, but there's only one original painting
That's true. And on
in
our books.
remembrance of Grandma Sadie. So what we're going to do is we're going to auction this painting off tonight, and the money, the highest bid, is going to go to Grandma Sadie's Scholarship Fund at the Whitensville Christian School. So that makes it tax deductible. Because you're going to give me a check or give somebody a check payable to the Whitensville Christian School for the Grandma Sadie Scholarship Fund, and you will forever have this painting in your family to hand down to generations in remembrance of Grandma Sadie.
Right.
Now I asked Kathy what this ought to go for. She said a lot. Now there's two ways we can do this. We can give this to the highest bidder and only that person makes a check to Grandma Sadie Scholarship Fund. Or
We donate it.
every time you donate the money anyway, half of what you bid? Or would you rather just have the person who gets it give the check?
I think that's hard for the children.
Are you bidding also?
This is not going to go cheap.
got a piece of it.
Will not allow it to go cheap.
All right.
I think they ought to go 50%, that way you get more.
No. You got to start with 100. What?
$100.
$100.
150.
John Bisbeck. That starts it off. Do I have 100? Do I have 200?
150.
150. 200. Somebody write all this down.
Right in there.
Better write it down, because if you don't, you still got to pay half. $250. $250. 300. Donald. 350 from Gordon. 400 from Wilma. 500 from Joanne.
Sorry,
Wow.
Oh my God.
One more time.
We can't. You can't divide 25 in half. That's 550, Wilma. 550. 550 for Wilma. 600. 600 for Dale. No, Dale said 600. I didn't. 650 for Tillie. 700 for Gordon.
Oh my God.
Come on, Gladys. I mean, the farm's doing well. You gotta. 50. 700. What's the highest bid? 700.
Sid.
$800.
Donald.
Wow, here we go. 850 from Wilma. I have 900. 900.
We got 900 from Uncle Sid.
900. 900. Somebody say 900. 950. 950.
Oh my God.
$1,000. Wow, we got some real money added up there. That's got Grandma Sadie. Grandma Sadie, tell them. How much? $1,000. Anybody more? Thelma, where are you, Thelma? Thelma, just sitting.
Say 10, Thelma, say 1050.
$1,100 from Thelma. $1,200 from Bill. Way to go. How are we going? 1,300. Way to go, Wilma. 1,350 from Gordon. 15.
I can't believe this.
Don't let this go to your
Oh
head.
my God.
1,500 from Job. You go 15. 1550. 1550. Okay, who's next? Gerrit.
Your first auction?
Yes, I'm going to do this again.
My son, that's a lot of money for a little picture. Contribution.
Oh my God. Everybody contributes anyway, don't they? So I figured.
Well, I don't know. Yeah, like I did. I bid, so I have to give $100.
$1,600. Wilma bid 1650. 1650. Joanne. 1700. $2,000. Way to go, Joanne. We start at the top, Joby. I tell ya, I like even 50% of all this money. That's up about $5,000. Let's go, Job. 2,000 bucks. Well, I'm not first. I'm not the oldest. He's last. Who's last?
Daddy wants to be here.
Thomas says 2,100. Job, what do you say? 1,000. $2,100 we got for a bid. Joby, you want to go higher? Bill, you want to go up? 22. $2,200. Wilma, 2,300. 2,400 for Gordon. You say, Joanne.
Why not all of them?
How come the kids quit bidding?
The person that bids highest gets the first one to pay for it. But everybody else that bid has to also pay half of their money.
Gerrit, that's good. 7 times 1,000. Wow. This fund is...
Collection afterwards.
I think that's why they're still bidding. Because nobody wants to
Okay.
Go get your clothes on.
We're up to $2,500. Velma! 2,600 for Velma! How we doing? How we doing?
Wilma, it's your turn.
Velma?
What is it?
You gotta be 27.
$2,650 for Wilma. We'll take that. Who's next? Wilma, Gordon. 2,700 for Gordon.
Oh my God.
We are doing good. How come the grandchildren have dropped out? They got all the money. Now, they don't have it now, they're going to get it all. $2,700 for Gordon. Joanne, I mean, your business is doing very well. Huh?
Talk to my husband.
John, $2,700. He's behind you.
Just yell, I got 10 more in the car.
$2,700. That's Gordon. I think you should get $100 bucks. $2,800. That's a beautiful.
How did you do it?
I just can't find it. Maybe really. Maybe I'll hear him saying it.
What? They're all
What have you said so far, Mama?
28. Why, I
You
asked
say
100.
100.
How about 3,000 bucks? Somebody bid 3,000.
Velma!
Somebody bid.
You guys need to get.
Velma! 3,000!
Wilma bid 3,000. We love you, Kat. Did you ever think that you'd raise $10,000?
No.
Hey, Sid, she has 10 more in a car just like it. Every bid counts. You're all getting them.
That's $3,000 once. Do I hear 3,100? Do I hear 3,200?
How about 3150? What about the fireworks?
Gotta get dressed first. Go get dressed first. Guys, go get dressed so you can do the fireworks. He's done. He's done. Quickly, now the fireworks.
They're retired and gone fishing.
Like the Dutch shoe with fans.
So everybody that bid, even if they bid more than once, they have to give half their bid to the school? Half of their house.
Next.
Wilma, you're not going to lose it for 50
Bill, we $3,050.
Bill? Gladys is
3,100 for Bill Bang. 32 for Gordon. How we doing?
Thank God.
Hey, Sid, Thelma hasn't been in a while.
Mama, you 32.
I'm just up to you. He's going at 5,000.
I don't know.
33, Bill. 34. Come on, Joe. Tillie bid last time. Your turn. 34. 34. 34. 34.
Gordon's turn.
This is getting to be big time. $3,400 for my older sister. How about my second oldest sister?
Gordon's turn.
That's my heritage.
34.
I gotta get the artist in this picture.
$3,400.
He wants to let it go.
$3,500 for Gordon.
This is great.
3,500. 3,500 once.
What?
Wilma. Wilma, 3,500 once. 3,600. You got 4 sisters, they all
want it.
John, you can come in now. 36. You want to go 37? 36. 3,600. You bid 36.
I'm recording this shock on Bud DeVore's face.
3,601. Lee. 3,600 twice. $3,600 to Denver, Colorado. Don't forget, all the rest of you gotta pay $2,000. That's about half of it.
She doesn't have to pay half and not get
All right. Yeah.
I just thought you'd try. Give her $2.
You can see the lines and stuff.
The kids are all talking for your wife. Here's the $1, bud.
The author, the artiste, and the owner. Congratulations, all. Is that the highest your work has ever gone for, Kathy?
Yes.
here.
Oh, is that the highest job you ever?
Question is, what does she get from it? Kathy.
Yeah, right.
Where is he?
He's over here. He's over here.
You miss it.
When we were kids, you had to hold your ears over your ears.
Comes another fireworks. Yay! Yay! Are we having fun? We sure are. This might be good. Here goes, here goes. Some more.
Yeah.
Right.
Days.
Oh, good. Get this on.
This is the time of year, you know.
That's the only chance you get to wear it, right?
What can a 4th of July baby have?
That's right.
You gotta have a flag.
Yay!
That's why I'm filming.
Before we left, they didn't start. But they can stop it.
Wow.
They never did stop or something. Right, that's how it